About BCK is a generic extension for backup. It could be from an old VMS system or a modern app. The trick is to check the file header in Notepad. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's investigate. Let's keep this in our back pocket. I have a specialized, rarely known method for opening BCK files when conventional applications give up. Here's a hint. Our ultimate backup plan is listed below. The BCK file is stored following the guidelines established for the backup file designation. The file is saved under the VMS Backup File architecture. A BCK file commonly represents a backup file. However, in the context of VMS, Virtual Memory System, a BCK file specifically refers to a backup created by the VMS operating system. It contains a snapshot of files, directories, or entire volumes, enabling restoration to a previous state in case of data loss or system failure. BCK files in VMS are created using the backup command, a powerful utility for archiving and restoring data. The backup process involves copying the specified files and directories into a compressed archive, which can then be stored on tape or disk. The backup command offers various options for controlling the backup process, such as incremental backups and data verification. For managing BCK files, the best dedicated software is VMS from Digital Equipment Corporation, DEC. Windows provides limited editing capability, so full functionality depends on dedicated programs. Windows offers only basic metadata for backup files, so full access depends on dedicated restore utilities. First, identify the creator. Determine the original application, e.g. database, accounting software, or a CAD program that created the BCK file. Next, use the original app's restore function. Launch the original application and use its file. Restore or file. Import backup menu option. Finally, rename extract. Rename the file extension to zip or back and attempt to open it with a universal archive tool like 7-zip. Have a great week ahead. I appreciate the loyal subscribers. New viewers, please subscribe and welcome to the team.